Welcome back to Silken Days. Today we're talking about one of the biggest interior trends. Right now, Burl wood furniture. Burl wood is becoming incredibly popular in modern homes because of its rich texture and unique, swirling grain patterns. Every piece looks different, which makes it feel artistic, warm, and luxurious at the same time. But styling Burl wood correctly is important. Too much can make a room feel heavy, while the right balance can make your space look elegant and designer-inspired. First, choose Burl wood pieces based on your room style. If your home already has bold colors or busy decor, go for softer Burl patterns. If your space is minimal and neutral, a dramatic Burl wood table or cabinet can become the perfect statement piece. Another important tip is not to overuse it. Burl wood naturally attracts attention, so even one coffee table, side table, or console can completely elevate a room. Think of it like artwork for your home. Less often looks better. Burl wood pairs beautifully with modern materials like glass, metal, stone, and soft fabrics. Cream sofas, linen curtains, and warm lighting help balance the bold wood grain and create a calm luxury look. Color tone also matters. Light Burl wood feels airy and modern, while darker finishes create a richer and moodier atmosphere. Smaller rooms usually look better with lighter tones because they keep the space feeling open. Lighting makes a huge difference too. Natural sunlight highlights the movement in the grain and makes the furniture look even more beautiful. Warm lighting at night adds a cozy designer feel. If you're unsure about investing in a large piece, start small. A Burl wood tray, shelf, or lamp base can still add character without overwhelming your space. And finally, keep the surrounding decor simple. Burl wood already has strong visual texture, so clean styling helps it stand out naturally. Thank you for spending time with Silken Days. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more modern home inspiration and timeless decor ideas. And make sure to watch the full video for even more beautiful Burl wood furniture, ideas and styling inspiration for modern homes. Tell me in the comments, would you add Burl wood furniture to your home?